You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Toyota Corolla. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an affordable, efficient Corolla that offers a smooth ride, agile handling, desirable standard safety features, a comfortable cabin that's surprisingly roomy, and appointed with high-quality materials and amenities, all wrapped in head-turning style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection. Enjoy the efficiency and style this captivating Corolla has to offer. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.